Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. And of course, we start off with the spring equinox. This year's spring equinox is later tonight at 11:06 p.m. And what that basically means is that by that point, the sun's rays will be hitting the earth equally in the northern and southern hemisphere, so thus spring. As we move towards summer from this point on, more sun rays are going to be impacting the northern hemisphere than the southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere starts to shift more towards winter, like for example in Australia and South America, while the northern hemisphere, like in the United States, North America, Canada, Europe, parts of Asia, Japan, all start to get more sunlight and thus summer. So we finally made it to equal parts of the daylight and night for today. Starting tomorrow, we start to see more sunlight than not. Of course, this is not to scale. The sun is not sitting right on the earth, or else it'll be burnt up. And of course, this is from a graphic from NOAA. So if you want to check that out, I got this off of X. So definitely they have some great content there. So check that out. Currently, right now, we have scattered broken cloud cover. There's a few isolated flurries up here towards the Poconos, but nothing really being reported too much until you get off towards the eastern Great Lakes. Winds are from the west-northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 30s throughout much of the region, mid to upper 30s on the immediate coast. We got 40 degrees out here towards Montauk. So it is definitely chilly out there and below normal for this time of year. When we take a look at our current radar and surface map from WeatherTap, you can see a trough moving through. It's going to continue to be a theme for much of this week with an isolated rain or snow shower a threat. Again, that snow shower is more towards the Poconos and Catskills, your higher elevations, but it is certainly a chilly period of weather, that is for sure. When we take a look at our infrared satellite picture, not much going on right now, but changes are on the way. Now, currently, we are under the influence of the polar jet stream. The subtropical jet stream's getting suppressed to the south, so not a lot of moisture, but certainly pretty chilly with pesky rain and snow showers. As we move towards this weekend, the pattern starts to shift. The polar jet stream lifts away, and this subtropical jet stream gains a little bit more control, and that opens up the potential for a coastal storm by this weekend into early next week. But it's a bit complicated, so let's walk you through it. So for today, sky cloud cover again, can't rely on isolated rain or snow shower. Chilly, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, mid to upper 40s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight into tomorrow, again, isolated rain and snow showers are a threat. Other than that, scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, another cold front moves through with isolated to widely scattered rain and snow showers. Again, the threat for those snow showers are more towards the highest elevations of the Poconos and as you head towards the eastern Great Lakes. So most locations, passing showers possible. Look for high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. On Thursday, another trough moves through with an isolated rain and snow shower. Other than that, sky cloud cover is expected, a bit breezy as well. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. So again, chilly. High temperatures aren't much better. Look for mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. So hopefully you have not put away that winter coat because clearly you're still going to need it through this week. Now on Friday, we start to see changes. High pressure passes through the region with scattered cloud cover. Again, there's still that threat for an isolated shower with this little weak trough hanging around here. But for the most part, we're just dealing with scattered cloud cover. But the polar jet stream is starting to give way. High pressure is shifting off the coast. Temperatures on Friday will still be chilly, but you're going to start to notice some changes. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s. High temperatures will range from The mid 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in the New York City metropolitan area, and mid 40s to lower 50s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Why the change? Well, as the high pressure system is shifting off the coast, we're going to start to get more southeasterly winds. It's going to be more light and variable around New York City, so it'll be chilly, but down towards southern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania, you'll start to get more of that southeasterly wind. On Saturday, we have a cold front move through. Meanwhile, we have an area low pressure starting to develop off the coast here. So this cold front moves through on Saturday with scattered showers. This looks more bark than bite here based on what I'm seeing with some of the ensembles here, but certainly a threat for showers on Saturday. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s throughout much of the region, possibly a few lower 60s around the Philadelphia metro. So that cold front moves through. That's part of the polar jet stream. The subtropical jet stream, though, has this low pressure system organized. And now, a little bit of a warning here, and this is seen on all the model guidance. When you start to see these low pressure systems like this is usually a sign of convective feedback and some errors in the model guidance. So, what are we really seeing here? What we're really seeing here is an upper level low and a surface low pressure system cut off from the rest of the jet stream pattern. The jet stream pattern is shifting to the north. We're going to start to moderate, but we have this low pressure system sitting off the coastal plain. While that's happening on Saturday night into Sunday, you have this high pressure system building over New England. Why is that important? The difference between these two features is going to support stiff easterly winds. So you're certainly going to have breezy conditions. The potential for coastal flooding is going to start to increase because the sustained easterly winds are not going to let the water to exit very quick, very easily when it goes into low tide. So you have that potential when we go to high tide of enhanced coastal flooding. While that's happening, the storm's focus will be over the western Atlantic, but along the immediate coast, you have periods of rain. Further inland, more scattered nature. So the further west you go, the drier you'll be on Sunday. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s for most of the region, but upper 50s to lower 60s as you head towards the Poconos and Catskills, where drier conditions are expected. On Monday, that low pressure system continues to meander over the coastal waters. Again, notice the bagginess here. So the low pressure system could be located here or here. But basically, what happens is that in this time period, the low pressure system becomes what we call vertically stacked and starts to weaken. So we have periods of rain, that easterly wind continuing, also a continuation of the potential for coastal flooding. Low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s along the immediate coast, upper 40s to lower 50s as you move further inland. That low pressure system slowly begins to exit on Tuesday with lingering showers as a cold front approaches from the west as well. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, and high temperatures will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. So it looks like, based on what we're seeing here, there's a pretty good chance of March ending like a lion. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.